Assalamualaikum. Here Durishawar, and today we are talking about the market equilibrium and the diagrammatical explanation of the market equilibrium. In our previous lectures, we have clearly understand about the market equilibrium definition, market forces, the table of the market equilibrium, that what is the mechanism and what is the structure behind the moving towards the equilibrium. Here we will clearly understand the market equilibrium with the help of graph. Very simple graph, very easy. So the market equilibrium is explained by this very simple graph where the demand and supply are indicates on x-axis and price is on y-axis. Fine. So the DD is our downward sloping market demand curve. We know about the relationship between demand and price. So it is a negative slope demand curve, which indicates that the more quantity will be demanded at a lower price. That when price increases, our demand will be decreases, and when price decreases, our demand will be increases. So this is the known as the shows the negative relationship between the price and the demand. So this is our DD, where this is the market demand curve. The next one is which we are clearly see that the SS. SS is our upward sloping supply curve. The supply curve shows that the rise in price will bring in more quantity for sale because producers wants the more profit. So जब price increase होगी तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली यही चाहेंगे कि हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट होगा, तो वो क्या करेंगे, अपने सप्लाई को बढ़ा देंगे फॉर गेटिंग मोर प्रॉफिट. फाइन. सो एट द पॉइंट ऑफ व्हेन प्राइस इज OP, O to P, both quantity demanded and the quantity supplied are equal at OQ. If we are not understand about the price and the quantity, तो आप जो हमारा टेबल वाला लेक्चर है उसको आप पहले देखकर उसको समझकर फिर उसके बाद आप इस डायग्रामेटिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन को इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अच्छा, सो द प्राइस ऑफ द वेट ऑन द EP is the equilibrium point, because here is the quantity demanded and quantity supply both are equal. Here the producer and seller are in the satisfaction point. They are willing to buy and they are willing to sell. So this price is the equilibrium price and the quantity is the equilibrium quantity. So under the given conditions of demand and supply, price is OP1. At this price, demand is BP1. Here is a B point, T point, M point and N point. Fine, I have mentioned the points. So at this price demand is BP1 while supply is TP1. So there is the excess supply equal to BT quantity. BT, I have write down the surplus. ठीक है. So our BT point is the surplus, whereas the supply is greater than the demand, and this surplus supply pushes down the price. On the other hand, if price is OP2, there is excess demand equal to MN. So जो नीचे वाला पॉइंट है वो हमारा एक्सेस डिमांड वाला पॉइंट है, और जो हमारा इक्वल ऊपर वाला जो हमारा पोर्शन है वो हमारा सरप्लस का पोर्शन. सो दिस विल रिजल्ट इन राइस इन प्राइस. So the only OP price can stay and the OP price is our equilibrium price. ठीक है. So I hope you people are now understand about the shortage, surplus and equilibrium. Here we have done. If you feel any difficulty, any queries, don't feel any hesitation. You feel free to ask. You feel free to concern about the any topic in any term. Now you will stop. We should stop here. We will meet again in the next lecture. The market equilibrium is not complete here, not finished here. This is the just story beginning story of the market equilibrium. So we will meet again earlier. So best of luck.